So, welcome to For Daily Living, and today's hypnosis is for wellness. This isn't a normal hypnosis session, as you may expect, so don't drive or operate any machinery. So, as for hypnosis, self hypnosis content, you see, I'm not going to ask you to relax, to go down some stairs, to play some background music, just like recalling the sound of humpback whales naturally singing. A song captured naturally in your ears, stored within your mind. Perhaps you've had the chance to experience hearing that clicking sound of dolphins going underwater in the blue, warm sea. Feeling that warmth, a gentle drifting current, your body swaying, floating along, as those dolphins race underneath whilst you snorkel. Could you see yourself there, just swimming along, looking under that crystal clear sea water? Above as they crash out and over the waves, arch after arch of movement, with you in sync, immersing yourself in that scene. Perhaps taking in the wonders of the sea life around you, the fish, the sand deep down, the fluidity, as you just immerse yourself in those times gone by. Recall the last time that you went on a vacation, that holiday away, but what experiences might you have brought back with you into the now? Think of your favourite ones. Just think about them. They're your experiences floating around your mind like a current, yet waiting to be picked out. Pick one out now. And do you know that fish breathes through oxygen, through its gills in the water? So when it stops swimming, it stops breathing. Yet when you stop allowing the world to guide you, do you notice how you can take some time for yourself and just allow yourself to just breathe naturally, your real rhythm, not keeping up, but watching and being yourself? Like when you go to sleep, naturally, do you notice feeling just a little bit tired beforehand? Do you notice when you lie down on that soft pillow, how those feelings of comfort just automatically form all around your head, your body, taking away all those aches and pains, whilst taking all and every weight off your mind? Like that feeling must be that when an elephant's foot, when it finds itself in water, the weight is just displaced, floating, weightless, just as you feel when you go to sleep, just as you were. And so that signal to your eyes of tiredness just starts to kick in, and you recognize it as your body prepares itself for that sleep. So too your mind opens that doorway for a journey you're prepared for. You've waited all day for that moment. Take a second to just rub your eyes. Do it. Spread that tiredness out as that weight around them feels distributed. Be like a bridge when it goes across between this world and the world of your imagination, just being supported, ready for you to transport yourself over. You see, whenever you choose to do so, those eyes can just be allowed to just close down now naturally on their own. No timing, like on a clock that you see as you go inside. See your idea of the perfect clock, perhaps an old grandfather clock, a new digital one. Perhaps the hands just going round and round and round like a thought in your mind. You may notice, or maybe the numbers just counting down, flicking over, down, down, going down in the numbers, feeling sleepy, just a second at a time. And as you find yourself in that space between seconds, you're allowing yourself to pause your world, your internal clock in each cell that you recognize. Just slow its timing down now. The way a ship puts out an anchor and the chain just drops down into the sea. Be a part of that dropping down now. So too you are anchoring your mind to the base around you, into the depths. Nowhere to go, nothing to do, nothing to see, just being yourself. So let me tell you a story. As I was once in an elevator in this brick building. And as I stepped into the lift, I could feel my boots just sticking to the floor. And all those heavy tool bags that I was carrying just made me stop and freeze to that floor on the spot as I placed them down at the end of a day. The heavy weights holding me down just lifted away and hit the floor with them. So too, as you freeze yourself there to that spot, see yourself in the lift with me and that feeling at that time. Groggy lighting all around, row of floor buttons, and as you place your gaze on that dimly lit round button, just notice the number. Just feel the lift start to descend for you now. As you begin your descent down, down it goes as you hear the cogs just generating, turning down, and I remain here on my half, glass between us, as this is your journey. Each level you're going to go down is a week gone by for your life, in no particular order. I want you to look through that glass and see the events that you held on to from each week, the good ones. And as I say a number, on this immersive journey, when you reach that floor, you're going to replay those events from that week. It's your mind, your memories. Any age, any time, any place, now. Only good memories. Floor 17. Recall the place, the time, what it means to you, the people. See yourself there, perhaps at a barbecue. What do you see? What were you wearing? Did you fit in? How did you feel internally? 125. Fast forward 10 years. Where are you going to be? That car going by, who's in it? Where are you off to? How did you get there? Ask yourself these questions. Positive thinking. Going down. 34. A time you visited a park. See what you see, feel what you felt. Dogs all around you. Only good thoughts. See yourself as you were back when. Think of a year. As you do so, still descending down, notice how your clothes change over time, what you're wearing, the styles, the elements. Next levels are passing by, thoughts still coming into your mind through this mind's journey. Achievements going by, claimed or unclaimed. You decide. 22. Why is the lift going sideways? Perhaps you took your life on a detour at some point. Think about that. Keep travelling along. As the deeper you go, the further you fall. As the further you fall, the deeper you go. Look up and see the floor lights begin to move faster and faster around the lift. Not in one place, perhaps in many all at once. Movements become erratic. Keep watching now. And a task, you're frozen in there. Press the button as it lights up a lift button. The more you attempt to try, the more and more you fail to get the lift to stop. Keep trying. On 10, pressing whenever you can but missing. 9, focus on the button's rhythm, spot the patterns. 8, predict the next move like the pattern of your life. 7, see a glowing number. Recognize the next move. 6, reacting in time until your fingers begin to annoy you. 5, nearly there, practice with effort. 4, begin now. So, turn around behind you, press that button. As you do so, notice the floor says wellness. So as you decided to turn around, you've taken the time to practice the skill of turning around your life. And that starts with one step forward today. And as the doors slide open, sunlight pours in and slightly temporary halts your vision. Adjust yourself. This is your place of wellness. Every good feeling, thought, person, experience is in this place. Smell freshly cut grass. Breathe in through your nostrils. In the middle of the field is a desk, chair, paper, pen, and a plant. Time just passes by. Pause, think, express yourself. What you want to do, who you want to be, where you want to go. Each step in time is a step forward into your new horizons that you are building. As a gift, take this plant. You're going to nourish it in your mind. Whenever you need to come back into this place of wellness, you're going to come back and bring life back into that plant and water it. So we're out of time now. Wiggle your toes, breathe in, back in the room. And remember, comment wellness and I'll send you more details.